Good morning, my dear children. Welcome you all in today's EVS class. Yesterday, I have started the chapter We Need Food, though I taught you this chapter uh, before also, but still I am taking the revision of it. So yesterday I have not sent you any explanation of it. Simply I sent you the PDF file. Today I'm going to explain it once more. So this chapter is basically why do we need food? Why do we need food? We need food to get the energy to keep ourselves working for a whole day, isn't it? Food is very important. Some food that help us to fight with disease. Then citrus fruit like orange and lemons. It help us to stay disease free. Why do we need to drink milk every day? Because it has calcium that makes our bones and teeth strong. One more thing that we should eat plenty of leafy vegetables because it helps in the formation of blood in our body. Must drink water, enough water every day. First and foremost thing is that you have to drink a lot of water every day to keep us healthy. Fresh fruits are eaten raw because they are juicy and pulpy and no need to cook it. But vegetables we need to cook it. We must eat fruits every day to keep our body healthy. Not only fruits we eat, some raw vegetables also we eat, like carrot, radish, cucumber, tomatoes, lettuce, cabbage, etc. And this all we eat in form of salad. Do remember, before to eat any raw fruits or vegetables, you must wash them to keep them germ free. Now, why do we cook food? Because we need to cook food because at a certain temperature, cooking kills the germs in the food. That's why we used to cook our food, and the raw vegetables or fruits that we eat raw. So before to have that, you have to wash it properly to keep it germ free. Next, there are some variations of foods like Go Food, Grow Food, Glow Foods. This all I explained in the previous classes. Must remember that oranges and lemons contain a substance called citric acid. Citric acid means the fruits that have citrus fruits means the fruits that have citric acid within it. Okay, so these oranges and lemons are citrus fruit. So next, balanced diet. Balanced diet means a diet which contains a little bit of the nutrients that help us to grow, work and repair our damaged cell is called a balanced diet. Vegetables, fruits, rice, pulses are vegetarian foods. Meat, fish, eggs, these all are called non-vegetarian food. So vegetarian means that they eat only vegetables, fruits, rice, no non-veg. That means meat, fish, eggs are there. So our next, that balanced diet I already told you. Fresh fruits like papaya, apple, oranges, mangoes, cherries, and grapes are eaten raw because they are this all fruits are juicy and pulpy. So no need to boil them or to cook them. We cook food and we add some spices to make it tasty. Vegetables can also be roasted, fried or boiled. Eggs are eaten boiled. Our next part is here you can see I have given fill in the blanks from this chapter. Eat less dash food. Answer is fatty food. Food items made from pulses and groundnut are healthy to eat. Thus can make us fat and unhealthy. That is, junk food can make us fat and unhealthy. Dash in fruits and vegetables helps in digestion. Fiber in fruits and vegetables help in digestion. A dash diet include a balanced diet include all kind of nutrients. And next, it's given, write the meaning of these words, and the words are given from the book itself. So you write on your own. So till here for today's class. Take care of yourself. Thank you.